Hey, you missed a spot, Wyatt.
There it is. Now we wait.
Sarge, you think this Aurora thing's really there?
That's what they say.
Well, that's what they say. That's what they say. What do you think, McKee?
I don't know, Faraday. But I guess you're gonna tell me.
See, the way I figured, we get atomic bombs, Kraut's got V2s, Japs have gotta have something too.
We're here for the scientist. That is it.
Hey, Able Squad's ready, Sarge.
Okay. Start the engine. Take us in.
There, patrol.
Stay on Able. Kill the engine. No sound.
Oi, タバコくれ。ありがとう。朝になったらアメリカへやってくるだろうか。構わないさ。準備万端。もうさせりゃいいんだ。
Go, Wyatt!
Where the fuck are they headed?
Shit! Get down.
Shit! Take them on! Shit! Get the hell out! What are you doing?
We're clear.
Anyone hit?
Able Squad didn't make it, Sarge.
Shit. All right. It's up to us then.
How come it ain't started yet, Sarge? They said 0600.
Right on time.
Hope it worked.
McKee, if they can take what we're throwing at them now, they can keep the defector. Let's get moving.
Okay, 2 of them. Wyatt, take the one on the left.
Die already, you son of a bitch!
2 down. About 1,000 to go. Come on.
Sarge? No, we aren't, Faraday. That isn't
This way. Still some time.
Let's go. Climb up there.
Come on.
Down there. Across the field. Go. Mines. Watch your step. Stop! Get down! Down! Jab arm. Finish him off.
Let's go! Let's go, lad! We got him!
We got lucky there. Someone must be looking out for us. Let's find this guy. Keep it together. Come on. Where the hell is he? He ought to be here by now. Stop. Don't move. Give him the challenge.
Who is my favorite baseball player?
Chup Anson.
Great. Let's get him out of here.
Hang on a second. What the hell was that sound?
What's he saying?
I don't know, sorry.
If you sold us out,
Yami no Buki. The black weapon. It's starting. We're dead, man.
Okay, we're going, pal.
It's no use.
Maybe you didn't understand me. We are getting out of here.
Sarge, they just cut off our primary.
all right. We'll go through the sub pen.
It's a goddamn death trap.
Yeah, I know.
Come on, keep going! Move, move, move!
Shit. I don't like the sound of that at all.
Just keep moving.
It's close.
Sarge, I guess that's our ride.
All right, fellas. Get ready. Go.
Japs in the building!
Let's go! Get to the vehicle.
Wyatt, get on the 30 cal!
Step on it! Are you stepping on it? Okay, you watch your head, Wyatt. Keep pulling that trigger! Hey, Sarge, you sure the other route is this way?
Yes!
We're running out of time! Come on! Come on! Enemy jeep! Good 12 o'clock! Don't stop! Jeez, they just won't quit! More enemies!
Wyatt, fire that weapon! Open fire, Wyatt!
Okay, get out! Go!
Move, move, move! Enemy boats down below, come on!
Infantry, coming in!
Move, move, move! I'm clear!
Machine gun!
Frag it! Break me up over here! Come on, keep going! Good shooting, Wyatt! The submarines are down there.
Get over here! Wyatt, hurry up! Blow the door! Stand back!
Submarine hold. Then we're taking the sub.
Can you even drive us up?
No, we'll improvise.
Doesn't matter. We're all dead men.
Just keep fucking going! Red Group should have commandeered a sub in the far pen over there. If we're lucky, they're still here. If not, the scientist's right. We're dead. Coming down around our ears. Better move fast.
Come on.
You got it!
Enemy on the walkway!
Keep on it, Wyatt!
Shit! That sub looks like it's our only way out! Sub's leaving! It's leaving! Run for it!
Come on, move it! Get that goddamn hatch open!
We made it. We made it. You see? I told you we'd make it, Wyatt.
Towards the Japanese homeland. President Roosevelt first landed on 3 miles in the Amerikanische Krieg höchstwahrscheinlich.
Manifestation à Paris contre la guerre.